Welcome to Virtual Giant. Today we are using CapCut to put a text behind image like what you're seeing. CapCut is a free video editing software, and if you are using iOS or Android and if you don't have it, just go to Apple Store in iOS or get it from the Play Store on your Android device. So you can see it is a free software where you can download. Just type CapCut in either Play Store or Apple Store, and then there you have it. Go back to the desktop or your menu on the phone, tap on the CapCut app, new project, select picture or video you wish to use, select text from the menu down below, go to add text, see a dialog box, type in whatever you wish to put at the back of the image or the video. Okay, so you can go to style afterwards. You can see there are lots of styles. You can play around with any of them. Just tap on it and then you would see it appear in the dialog box, but I'm comfortable with the yellow one, so that is what I'll go for. You can use both hands or fingers to drag the text to the desirable length or size you want, and then after that you can drag it to the end of the video, just as you see in the video. Just drag it to the end. So you see at this stage the text is in front of the video. So what you do next is to export. You see that arrow pointing upward at the top right corner? Yes, you use that to export. So you just have to click on it and then voila, your video is exported. But we are not done. Go to new project once again, add the video with the text. Yes, that is it. And then go to overlay. Underneath you can see that add overlay, and then add original video without the text. Now video comes as an overlay, so use both fingers to drag the blue rectangle to fit the screen. Swap the menu below to the left and tap on cutout. After that, tap on remove background. Wait a moment, you would see that it is reading in percentage on the screen. Yes, there you have it. It is reading 50-60%. When it is done, there you have it. The text is behind the video, so you can watch it as it plays, just see things for yourself. That is basically it. Your text is now behind the video. So once again, you export. Yes, our video is exported, and then you can directly share to any social media platform that you wish to use the video for. WhatsApp, Facebook, Gmail, whatever. Just do it. And that brings us to the end of our video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell so that whenever we drop a content, you'll be the first to know. Like, comment, whatever you wish to see on this channel, the kind of tutorials you want us to share. Don't forget to tell us in the comment section. Like our videos, share, and stay glued to this channel because we have a lot more to offer you. Peace out.